Space just got a pulse. One black hole is literally sending out X-ray hiccups on repeat. Scientists spotted a black hole releasing recurring X-ray bursts. Think of it as a cosmic pulse, a space hiccup. Every few days it flashes like a tiny, predictable heartbeat in the darkness. Why does it do that? Drama in the accretion disk. Hot gas spiraling in magnetic gates, opening and shutting, dumping energy in bursts. Matter piling up, then suddenly falling in twisting magnetic fields, snapping like a rubber band. These pulses help astronomers map how black holes feed and interact with their surroundings, a rare chance to watch extreme physics in action. So next time you think of black holes as just vacuum cleaners, picture one hiccuping X-rays across the cosmos, steady as a heartbeat and telling us secrets about the universe. Space is stranger and cooler than we imagined.